Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. We will continue with our chapter number 4 parts and wholes.
Question number 11 of chapter number 4, do as directed. First part of question number 11. Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Tinu 1/5 of the tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Meenu got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Dinu got the left vegetables. Circle Tinu's share in red, Meenu's share in green and Dinu's share in yellow. Students, here what is given in the question is that Ramu want to give the vegetables to his friends. From the total tomatoes, he gives 1/5 of the tomatoes to Tinu, and from the total potatoes, he gives 1/3 of the potatoes to Tinu, and 2/5 of the tomatoes to Meenu, and 3/6 part of the potatoes to Meenu. Now, after giving vegetables to Tinu and Meenu, he gives the leftover vegetables to Dinu. Students, after finding out how many number of tomatoes and potatoes Ramu is giving to Meenu, Dinu and Tinu, we have to circle Tinu's share in red, Meenu's share in green and Dinu's share in yellow. For finding out the share given to its friend, first we will find out how many potatoes and tomatoes are there with Ramu. The total potatoes with Ramu are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There are 18 potatoes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 tomatoes. Now solution for first part of question number 11. First we have to find out how much vegetables are given to Tinu. So here first we will find out how many tomatoes are given. So first we will write total tomatoes. Total tomatoes we counted were 20. And Ramu gives 1/5 of the tomatoes to Tinu. So here we will write 1/5 of the tomatoes given. Now we have to find out number of tomatoes. To find out the number of tomatoes, we will multiply this 20 with 1 by 5. Here we will write 20 multiplied by 1 by 5. Now we will multiply this 20 with 1. 20 ones is 20 upon 5. Now 20 divided by 5 is 4. As 4 5s is 20. Therefore, 4 tomatoes are given to Tinu. Now we will find out how many potatoes Ramu gives to Tinu. So first we will write here total potatoes. Total potatoes we counted were 18. Now 1/3 of the potatoes is given to Tinu. And we have to find out now number of potatoes. To find out the number of potatoes, we will multiply 18 with 1 by 3. Now we will write 18 multiplied by 1 is 18. Divide by 3 we will write here as it is. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Therefore 6 potatoes are given to Tinu. Now we will find out how many vegetables are given to Meenu. So here also first we will find out how many tomatoes are given to Meenu. So first we will write total tomatoes which we have counted were 20. Now 2/5 of the tomatoes are given to Meenu. So here we will write 2 by 5 of the tomatoes given. Now we will find out number of tomatoes. To find out the number of tomatoes, we will multiply 20 with 2 by 5. So here we will write 20 multiplied by 2 by 5. Now 20 multiplied by 2 is 40. Divide by 5 we will write here as it is. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 8 5s is 40. Therefore 8 tomatoes are given to Meenu. Now we will find out how many total potatoes are given to Meenu. So here also first we will write total potatoes. Total potatoes are 18. Now 3 by 6 of the potatoes are given to Meenu. So here we will write 3 upon 6 of potatoes given. Now to find out number of potatoes, we will multiply this 18 with 3 by 6. So here we will write 18 multiplied by 3 by 6. 18 3s is 54. 6 we will write here as it is. 54 divided by 6 is 9. Therefore 9 potatoes are given to Meenu. Now it was given in the question that Dinu got the leftover vegetables. So we will find out how many vegetables are given to Dinu. So here we will find out total how many tomatoes are given to Dinu. So for that first we will write total tomatoes were 20. In that Tinu's share was 4 tomatoes and Meenu's share 8 tomatoes. Now we have to find out remaining tomatoes. To find out remaining tomatoes, we will subtract 20 minus 4 minus 8. By subtracting 20 from 20 and we will subtract 20 and 4, we will get 16, and 16 minus 8 is 8. Therefore, 8 tomatoes are given to Dinu. Now we will find out how many potatoes are given to Dinu. Total potatoes were 18. Tinu's share was 6 potatoes and Minu's share was 9 potatoes. To find out the remaining potatoes, we will subtract 6 and 9 from 18. So here we will write 18 minus 6 minus 9. 18 minus 6 is 12 and 12 minus 9 is 3. So we will write that therefore 3 potatoes are given to Dinu. Now students, here it is asked in the question that we have to circle Tinu's share in red, Minu's share in green and Dinu's share in yellow. So students, here it is in your homework to circle 4 tomatoes with red color as Tinu's share was 4 tomatoes. Here any 4 tomatoes you will place a circle over 4 tomatoes, and on 8 tomatoes you will circle with green color, and 8 tomatoes you will circle with yellow color as Dinu's share was 8 tomatoes. In the same way on potatoes also, Tinu got 6 potatoes, so you will circle on red color on 6 potatoes, and Minu got 9 potatoes, so you will circle green color on 9 potatoes, and Dinu got 3 potatoes, so you will circle yellow color on 3 potatoes. Second part of question number 11, you have to do it by yourself. Now question number 12. Dinu's vegetable field has 9 equal parts. He grows vegetable in it. Answer the following question on its basis. Students, here you can see this is the field of Dinu where he grows vegetables, and it has 9 equal parts. The vegetable field of Dinu is divided into 9 equal parts. We have to answer the question on the basis of the vegetable field. Here you can see in one part chilies are grown, in 2 parts potatoes are grown, and in 3 parts tomatoes are grown, and in 2 parts brinjal is grown, and in 1 part spinach is grown. First part of question number 12. Which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field and what part? Students, here in the picture you can see that chilies are only in the 1 part of the field, potatoes grow in 2 parts, brinjals also in 2 parts, spinach in 1 part, and tomatoes in 1, 2 and 3 parts. So the solution for first part of question number 12 is tomatoes grow in the biggest part of his field. Here we have to write down what part also. Here the part of tomato is grown in 3 parts, so the numerator is 3, and it's given in the question that the vegetable field is divided into 9 equal parts, so in the denominator we will write 9. So the fraction so formed will be 3 by 9, or here we will find out the reduced form of 3 by 9. Here 3 we will write as it is a prime number, and in the place of 9 we will write 3 multiplied by 3. 3 3 is 9. We will cut this 3 from above the line and below the line. Now in the numerator nothing is there, so we will write 1, and in the denominator we will write 3. So the part of tomatoes is 3 by 9 or 1 by 3. Now second part of question number 12. On what part of field does he grow potatoes and brinjals? Now we have to find out on what part of the field he grows potatoes and brinjal. Students, in the picture you can see that out of 9 equal parts he grows brinjal in 2 parts and potatoes also in the 2 parts. So students, here in this solution for second part of question number 12, we will write part of potatoes will be in the numerator we will write 2, as in 2 parts potatoes is grown, and in the denominator we will write as 9, as 9 are the total parts. So the part of potato is 2 by 9 and part of brinjal is also 2 by 9. Now third part of question number 12, you have to do it by yourself. Now fourth part of question number 12, how many times more is the part of the potatoes than the part of spinach? We have to find out, students, how many times is the part of potatoes more than the part of spinach. Here in the picture you can see that potatoes are grown in 2 parts out of 9 equal parts and spinach is grown in 1 part out of 9 equal parts. Now solution for fourth part of question number 12 here. First we will write down the part of potatoes. The part of potatoes is 2 by 9 as potatoes is grown in the 2 parts out of 9 equal parts of the field, and part of spinach is 1 upon 9 as spinach is grown in 1 part of the field out of 9 equal parts. Now here you can see that we have to find out how many times more is the part of potatoes than the spinach. Here you can clearly see that in 1 part spinach is grown and 2 parts potatoes is grown. So we can say that 2 times more is the part of potatoes than spinach. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.